I am super excited about today's video because it is going to be very interesting for you. So I'm going to tell you about FIVERR gigs, and the exciting thing is that these FIVERR gigs do not require any experience. Yes, you heard right. These gigs need zero experience at all. For anybody who doesn't know about FIVERR, FIVERR is basically a marketplace where freelancers can sell their services. It's a good thing is that it's beginner friendly. One can sell services as low as $5. By contrast with the Upwork, you can take a better start in FIVERR from low to high. As you learn or increase your skill, you can bump from $5 to $10 to $20 per order. One important thing that to keep in mind, you can make 7 gigs on FIVERR, so you choose the perfect ones and choose it wisely. This gig is really very unique and interesting. That is album cover design. It's very simple. We are going on FIVERR to take a quick look on that how many people are asking for an album cover designs. If you think about all the singers, rapper, artists who would like to make music but they are not creative, they just sing well. They are not into graphic designing, and it will be your turn to work on when they have to launch an album. You will create cover page of their album according to their song or else. Now excitedly I am going to tell you about a website you will use for this work. There are a lot of websites that you can use for the artwork that will go through the artificial intelligence. I'll add the link in the description. So the next and easiest one is removing background from pictures. You can provide a service in which you can remove background from images. Now the question is why someone want this. Somebody might want this because people wanted to do something different with their pictures, like Photoshop, or for business purpose. They have a photo that they want to use somewhere, but the background is distracting and they want to keep that photo. Real estate agents use these things mostly for their business work. You can use different free software for this task. Before telling about software, I'll show you that how much this gig cost on FIVERR. You can see it's very saturated industry on FIVERR because it is so simple and you can easily get into this. You can use Canva and Adobe Photoshop for this purpose. It will just take 5 minutes, and by consuming these 5 minutes you can earn $35 to $45 per week. Even you can also try remove.bg. It's not high resolution, you have to pay for high resolution. Remove.bg is a site. I'll add the link in description. The next gig you can do without having skill is to create business name for people. There is actually millions and millions of people that start business in a year. So there are a lot of people that need help in their new business by choosing names and branding. Many people just don't have creative minds of a business name, or maybe they don't really want to think it by own. They are not super creative, then they might source out this job to somebody else. So FIVERR is a big marketplace for this kind of work. Somebody might search on FIVERR for this, and there are already these gig on it. You can think unique business names for people if you are creative enough. Yeah. Now step forward to another one. You will surprisingly hear about it as we are talking about brand or business names. So along with the names, business owners need unique logo for their companies. Yes, this one is logo design. I will tell you about creating a logo and how you can create logos for free and also without any necessary skills. One for websites is freelogocreator.com. All you have to do is put the name of their business. If they have a name of their business, just type in it For instance, if you have to make a logo for real estate business, you can search by this name. There are a lot of features that you can go with the full customization to create a logo. We can pick the some options at the final, pick the some options and send it to the clients. Yeah, there are already a lot of sites for logo maker, free logo maker sites that you can use for the creating free logos, uh, and get some ideas for logos. Hopefully you will get some ideas about Fiverr gig. So kindly like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.